Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to turn on night mode for pictures. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to have better pictures during the night. So let's get started by opening the camera app. Okay, now that you're here, if I cover the camera, you will see that it has a yellow light. That means night mode is on. And if I stop covering it, it'll turn back to normal. So, to turn this off, all you have to do is tap on it. And if I do this, it won't appear anymore. And to turn it on, all you have to do is tap on it again, and then it works. Simple as that. This night mode feature helps you take better pictures in the night. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.